You see a bent nail and think, trash, scrap, worthless junk. Yeah, I used to think that too. But the old-timers laughed at our ignorance. For them, every bent nail had a purpose. Not to straighten, not to throw away. It was to keep, like saving gold. Because in the middle of construction, when nothing seems to work, that bent nail shows its secret job. It won't go into wood, won't close a crate, won't look pretty. But at the right moment, it does what no modern tool does. It helps tie rebar at the job site.